again, Jhay Anne. So on today's video, we're gonna do unboxing of Pink Panda mystery box. So a little bit information about the Pink Panda. This is Pink Panda Slovakia, and they really have a nice packaging, like pink with some hearts. Like, look at that. So a little bit information about them. Pink Panda, they have Girl Power mystery bag, skincare mega box, and they also have the mystery box with, and this is the mystery box with 10 products of mix of skincare and makeups. I'm actually in my friend's house right now shooting this unboxing, so I have this video. So here is the box, and it looks really pretty. So yeah, look how pretty this box is, like. And let's open it like this. Like, wow. Like, wow. I really like the box. Like, really. And they have this paper, like, look how cute is this one. And so let's start. So it looks like this. So let me show you one by one what are the things that I got from Pink Panda Mystery Box Volume 28. So I'm very excited. So first they have these dog color, dream in color, and let's open this. For sure this is brushes. I know this brand. This is a bubble wrap. Like, okay, they have nice eye brushes. And let's check them. So yeah, they have like 4 brushes. Let's check this. Okay, it's very soft. Like, okay, this one is a good deal. Next, oh, they have these eyelashes, voluminous, adds volume and length to lashes. I actually don't use false lashes, but I don't know. Let's go. Next, they have this lovely gold highlighter, and it looks like this. Let's swatch them for you. Okay. This is for not too pigmented, not too bright. I cannot even see it. It's here. This is, I think you can use it if you want to have like natural makeup look, and you will put this kind of highlighter not too visible for you on your face. Then next, we have this Weibo Fit Freak Sweat Proof Duo Lips. And let's check it here. Oh, it looks like this. And this is the color, like pinkish. Like, yeah, pink color. And this one is big applicator, and this one is sharp. Like the same color. This is for the lining on your lip. And then what is this? This is Happy Naturals, 97% natural hair care 2-in-1 heat protection spray. So yeah, heat protection spray. I don't have any. This is plant keratin and plum. That's smells good. It smells different. It smells weird, but it smells good. Fruit. It smells fruit. They also have like light pink bubble wrap. Next, they have this liquid metal lipstick from Weibo. Is it Weibo or Weibo? Like in the shade of burgundy wine. Okay, I can open it. And here it is. It has a nice container. This is liquid lipstick cup. It's metallic and it looks like this. This one is nice. Next, we have this overnight collagen on call overnight facial lift night cream. Replenish and repair, brighten, hydrate, plump, lift, and firm. 34 works. This brand. Let's open it. And oh, let's get small amount. It's like a moisturizer lotion, but my skin absorbed the product, so it doesn't feel heavy, and it feels like nothing at all. So let's see. Oh, next is this natural 97% body care Happy Naturals relaxing hand and body lotion, vegan, fast absorbing, hydrating, vitamin E and lavender oatmeal. Hydrates skin and calms the senses. This is a lotion, body lotion. Let's try it. Oh. Okay, it smells good. It smells like herbs. Next, we have this Mayani 3-in-1 lipstick in the shade of, like, I don't know what's the shade of this. Oh wow, like, look at that. Look at the glitters. This is the nicest lipstick. I don't know how to open, like, okay. Oh, this is nude color. It's like peachy shade. Wow, this one is really nice. This one is really pretty. This is the nicest lipstick I have ever seen. And we have another one. This is Total Heartbreaker Shadow Palette from I Love Revolution. Like, let's watch some of this. 40 shades. 40 palettes. Like, that's a lot. And you should use it in 18 months, within 18 months when you open it. So let's try it. Let's see the pigment. Like that, these are pretty hard. Like, let's swatch this. Oh, it's smooth. This is an empty box, so it's a bit powdery, but there is a pigment. And let's try this gold glitter here. Like, okay, it feels good, it feels smooth. Like, yeah, can you see that? There is pigment. Next, let's try this reddish maroonish color. Okay, that's pink. Let's have another. Let's at least swatch 5. Let's try this one. Is like something like cream. Okay, that's not bad, but not too pigmented. Let's swatch one more color. This, maybe this orange here. Like, can you see that? Let's watch one more. So yeah, here are the swatches. It's not that bad, not too pigmented. I like the glitter color. Like, can you see my finger? Like, yeah, we actually have like 10 products, like 3 skincares, 1 brush, 1 lash falsies, then the rest are makeups, like 3 lipstick, and this is my favorite, of course. Like, this is very pretty, look at that. And then we have this nice palette and this highlighter. Thank you so much, Pink Panda, for these things. I was expecting that they will have like random things inside. Like, you will not get the same as the other people, but I think it's the same. Like, for volume 28, you will have, everybody will have the same 27, 29. So yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and see you again on the next one. Bye.